Hi everyone, it's Rachel with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear. Today I am over at 41611 Highway 38. So this is over what we would call North Shore. It is located in Fawnskin, 5,000 square foot home, really beautiful views of the lake that you are going to love. So come check it out. Okay, from the driveway, which you've got plenty of room for parking, and you're set back off of North Shore a little ways, and you've got beautiful ski slope views as well as an incredible lake view, quick access to Big Bear Lake as well. So let's go inside. I'm going to take you upstairs first, and then we'll come back down. So down here, just a nice little entry room. So again, let's go upstairs first. Got some really nice, I think that's bamboo flooring. This house was built in 2008. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Very modern too. You can see cable that runs all the way through. So real quick, before we go through the house, you have an elevator that will take you from the bottom floor to the top. So this is not the main living area, but second living area. So first I want to take you to the master. So you've got 2 masters in here. And again, great ski slope views, great lake views. And just like an overall barely used feel to it. Nice walk-in closet. We have bathroom number 1. And check out the shower. You could fit like 10 people in here. And I'm not entirely sure why you'd want 10 people in a shower, but it's big enough. So you can see lots of storage, and then another bathroom with a bidet. You have a nice little electric fireplace. So you've got the her closet. The other one's bigger, so this is probably the his closet. And then, like most of the bedrooms, you have a nice private deck surrounded by great trees. I mean, you could like probably throw a baseball into the lake. It's nice that they have glass lighting. And this is that Trex decking as well. So from the master, you have a half bath off to the side. And let's go out on this main entertainment deck. Just got great sun coming in. Sunny side of Big Bear too, so your plowing should be easier to handle over here because you get a lot more sunlight. And it's like built like a castle. It's a beautiful little turret. So from there, you have another bedroom. It's currently being used as a gym / home office. And we're right back to this room. So you could call this a living room. And off of here, got a nice sunken hot tub. You just go hiking from here. And then you'll have access to get down there as well. So the house itself is 5,040 square foot, 2 stories, and lot size is almost 2 acres. Large vaulted ceilings. These beams are just incredibly overdone. But that's what makes it so beautiful. So countertops, this granite. Still a very modern upgrades to it with 2 pantries. You probably just see all kinds of animals out there. Bears, mountain lions, coyotes. And then you've got the bar. Nice little entertaining spot, which leads into the laundry room. It's essentially like a second kitchen in here. Very interesting. Got a dishwasher, which you would need for your bar glasses and your beer and your wine. So makes sense. Then we've got another bedroom that has access to that front balcony. Total square foot 5,040. And you've got a full bathroom off of here, which also serves as a bathroom for any visitors. And then we're going to go into the second master with, again, really nice built-ins. Probably the her closet. Love that headboard too. Like, very simple and vintage. The different marble that they used in here. But looks so much better in person, that ski slope view from here. So if you're watching the New Year's fire show, that would be a very good position to watch it. It's from the front deck here. and or the 4th of July fireworks. We could have a great spot for that as well. So you could park definitely some RVs around here. Lots of cars. And then we're going to go back downstairs to see all those garages that are downstairs. I'm not going to attempt the elevator. Not sure the condition of it, although the house itself seems really, really updated. So, interesting fact. Well, I'll wait till I give you the interesting fact in just one moment. There's your half bathroom. So, this is inside. Just kind of like a utility room. I'm not going to go through there. I don't like scary dark rooms. But check this out. Like, what a beautiful job they did with this garage. And this is really interesting. Have you ever seen that house before? So this is radiant heating in the floors as well. And then you just got storage right here. Again, access to the elevator right here. So 2 people in a wheelchair or 1,000 pounds. Interesting. So this would make, if you were going to buy this and turn it into an Airbnb, this room right here would make for a great game room. Because throughout the house, no real areas upstairs for a gaming area unless you took away one of those 2 living areas upstairs. Or this, oh no, this could be a great little movie theater. And I have somebody that designs movie theaters up here. So, just an FYI. And then we're going to go into the other garage, the bigger garage. So, the floors are great. Again, radiant heating in here. You've got all the toys that you would need for owning a mountain house with a long driveway in Big Bear. But just incredible garage space in here. Could also maybe get an RV inside of here, but if you couldn't, you would likely be able to make those a little bit higher so that you could get one in here. So I guess at this point, you would like to know the price. So 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with surrounding views of Big Bear Lake and the ski slopes and the national forest and 5,000 square foot. I mean, you just see the lake that way, you see it that way, you see it that way, that way. So on the market for just under 2.3 million. Very, very worth it. There you have it. 41611, Highway 38, otherwise known as North Shore.